My name is Romuel Maramara. I am the founder and CEO of Brimes Energy. Just to give you a brief background, I build machines. I started building machines when I was 8 years old. I built a dump truck and I built a payloader in one. And I started my first engineering company when I was 24. A year after that, I was delivering machines to Honda, to Toyota, and Nissan. But I'm here today because I'm very excited and also very nervous about this new company, which is Brimes Energy. And Brimes Energy is actually, what we do is we produce ocean wave energy harvesting machines. Yes, ocean wave harvesting machines. Okay, so what we're trying to do is to give the world another renewable energy source. So I just want to point out first the case for wave energy. Okay, so for wave energy, we know that all these problems, you got depleting fuels, people, a lot of people, and then environmental problems, that's a lot. And the solution to that is the big three renewables. These are the big three. You got solar, you got wind, and yes, you got ocean waves. So why ocean waves? If you compare waves with solar and wind, it is actually a lot more attractive. It's superior to solar and wind. If you look at the energy density, you get about 30 kilowatt per meter of coastline. That's a lot more compared to solar and wind. You got availability of energy. So the waves just night and day, you got waves. But the problem with wave energy is that it is just so hard, very hard to harvest. So if you look at the market size for ocean waves, we don't really know. It's small. But if you look at the market size for solar and wind, it's about $100 billion annually. So what if we can solve this problem? If we make it easy, how big is that market going to be? Well, these are the data from DOE, and this is another data from the international world. And what they're saying is that there's enough energy in waves that can power like the world a couple of times over. So why does it work? It's a very simple machine when we designed it. And actually what happened is that this is it. This is just one pod, and the wave moves this way, and actually it moves with a wave like this. The secret to this is, number one, is variable resistance. So as the wave comes in, you can see the illustration here, it's a very small wave at first, and eventually it becomes bigger. But when it is small, you need to have a little bit of resistance so that this thing moves. So as the wave comes in, you got more energy from the waves because you got a larger phase, a larger moment arm, you get more torque, you can harvest more energy, so actually you're harvesting more here. So you can see here, the same movement, a little bit of energy, and here, a lot of energy.